Remember at the beginning of this session, I said we are going to be using lunr for indexing. So let's go ahead and install lunr using yarn add lunr. So this should fetch and install lunr to our application. Done. Okay, so we also need to install the type since we are using TypeScript. So I'll do yarn add types / lunr. Okay, so this should install the lunr types in our dev dependency. Alright, so now that we have lunr installed, we need to create our search engine. So the search engine is a util for our application. So I'm going to go to the util directory and create our search engine here. So a new file, I'll call the file search engine. So we need to create an index first. So we create an index and then we import lunr that we just added. Okay, it's not installed yet, so let's do yarn install so our application can see lunr. So okay, don't worry, I'm gonna import it. So this is how you create index for lunr. Function and then callback. So this does ref at should be title. So we are searching on this field called title. So let's go ahead and install lunr import lunr. Let's go ahead and import lunr from lunr import lunr. Alright, so we already installed the type. So we are indexing on title. Let's add other field that we want to search with. So we are going to be searching with other fields like brief. We want that field to be indexed as well. Fields, this is a field, we only have one ref. So this is going to be a field, and then field, we have title, brief, let's do content too. So which other field do we want to index? Type. Okay. And this is all. So let's get our data store. I have this data store. And then for each item in the data store, we are going to be indexing the so add it to our index. I'll fix the type later. So we've added it to our index. So let's export this index and make it available to our components. Good. So we can use this search engine in our component now. So if I go to this alright, so let's import the search engine into our component. So I'm gonna do import engine. It's a default import, so the name doesn't matter. It's in our util directory and it's in search engine. So we have our search engine and our index. So we are gonna be using it here. So search results, that's indexed equals engine that we just imported, and these are the options that we have: search, and then we're searching with the text field. That's the input in our search bar, search text. So the result returned should be red box search results. So we need to index sorry. So we need to map this. Map each index return to a value that will be displayed in our. So I created a function to do the mapping for us. Find my name, r.ref. So we now set this to our search results. Set results to docs. So we store this in our state. So we've handled the search engine and we map our docs. So we've handled this. Our search engine has indexed the data and then returned the result which we mapped and then store in the local state. What happens? Let's undo the else block for this if condition. So if the user clicks the button when the input field, the search bar is empty, there's nothing in it, what do? We just display a message and let the user know that this is not acceptable. So I already have a generic toast, and so I'm gonna pass a warning and then set a message that says input at least 3 characters. So we are just going to show a warning when the user type inside this field. So we need to build another component that will display the result from our search engine. What we have right now is just a placeholder. This is our search engine result page, but what we have here is just a placeholder. So we need to build a real component to use here and display our results. So let's go ahead and build that component now.